Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to turn on family content recommendations in YouTube on your PC. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open up YouTube on your PC. Simply launch your web browser and head over to youtube.com. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, look for the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Give it a click to open up the menu. Step 3. From the menu, find and click on the Settings option. This will take you to the YouTube Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, you'll notice a tab labeled Notifications. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Scroll down until you reach the Email Notifications section. Look for the option that says Your Family Notification and make sure to toggle it on, and there you have it. You've successfully turned on family content recommendations in YouTube on your PC. Now you can enjoy a curated selection of family-friendly content tailored just for you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.